Hi guys, how are you? How you guys all doing? Hassan is here, Ishana's here, Sami's here, Radua's here. You guys are all here pretty much on time. We're just waiting on maybe Mehnur and Inan. Okay? No, you're not going to any app right now because you guys are not taking a quiz today. We're actually going to be going over what you took yesterday. Okay, so yesterday you guys all took an English quiz and math one, and most of you did fairly well. But today I'm not going to disclose the actual grades, but here are the highest grades from yesterday. In the English, no, actually in the English, Inan got 100%. Mehnur got 96%, Ishana got 100%, good job. Sami got 90%, Hassan got 90%, Cheyenne got 80%, and Maimun didn't finish the exam. Okay, speaking of which, I actually do have to make a phone call to Maimun. Hi Mehnur, thanks for joining. Welcome to class. You guys can do points today as I'm going over these questions, okay, from yesterday. All right, first get a notebook out and a pencil so that you can also write down notes as I'm going over them. Okay, so let me take attendance first. We have Cheyenne, we have Radua. You also haven't finished the test, so Radua and Maimun have not finished the test. We have Radua, we have Hassan, we have Sami, we have Ishana. Good job, Ishana, 100%. Hassan, I wrote. Sami, I wrote. We have, who else do we have in here right now? We do not. We don't have Inan and we don't have Maimun. Wait, that wasn't supposed to be the thing. I'm not doing that yet. Collections, and we're gonna go to the rate. Solo practice. Okay. Just give me one. All right, okay, guys. So let's start our class. Maimun should be joining us soon. When he joins, he can just go back a little bit to find out the answers. So the first one, bunch of you have already wrote down the answer for it. Okay, and that is, you wrote have. Okay, bunch of you wrote have. Sami wrote have. Mehnu wrote has. So Anna has or have. Anna is third person. Okay, we use has in a third person whenever our subject is third person, and we use have when our subject is first person. Okay, bunch of you wrote have. Sami wrote have. Mehnu wrote has. So Anna has or have. Should be has. So Menur is getting a point for that, for getting that answer right. So Menur is getting our first point. Let's try again, guys. Okay, this one, Kendra thought about it. Kendra blank thought about it. What does it get? Have or has? Who can tell me the answer to number 2? Kendra blank thought about it. Inan, good job, has. Inan gets the second point. Bunch of you wrote have before, but it's not the correct answer, so you're not getting a point for it. So far Menu got a point and Inan got a point. All right, moving on. We have our next question, number 3. Their father is holding blank. Very easy. They also gave a really cute picture. What should be the answer to this one? Their father is holding blank. Shana also got a point for that since she said has. Alrighty. Ishana, you get a point for this one. Good job. Their father holding them. So far, Mehnur gets a point. Inan gets a point. Ishana gets a point. All right, come on, Sami. Keep it going. Bring those answers in. I'm trying to give the point to the first person who answers, okay? Because it's not fair if someone already wrote the answer and you just rewrote the answer, okay? I'm trying to give it to the first person who can answer the question. All right, class, come to our live point. If you're not in with us in the live class, on the YouTube video, on the corner there's a button, it says live. Click on it. If it's red, that means you're in live with us and you're at the same point with the rest of us, okay? Number 4, let's see who can answer number 4. Number 4, algebra blank been easy. Who can tell me the answer to this one? Algebra blank been easy. Have or has? Inan, good job. Has. Inan gets the second point. Good. All right, and the answer is not have, Sami. That is not the answer. Answer is not have. It doesn't matter if you say the answer first, it has to be the right answer. Algebra is also a third person. It's something else. It's I, you, he or she, and it, right? Algebra would be it. It has been. We don't say it have been, right? That doesn't sound right. It should be it has been. Okay, so if you said have first, doesn't matter. You're not getting the point for it. Okay, next question. Number 5. We're up to number 5. I hope everyone is up to number 5. Cheyenne, why did you write I don't care? What about what? All right, number 5. The hat belongs to who? Who does the hat belong to? Her. Hassan is the first one to answer that. Good job. Hassan gets a point. Good. See, even though Ishana answered it correct, even though everybody else did it, you're not getting a point. And you're not getting a point for writing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a row, Sami, because you are not the first person to answer it correctly. Okay? So good job, you got the answer right, but the person who gets the point for it is Hassan. He wrote it first. Okay, because I'm changing things up a little bit. I'm making it harder. I want to see that you actually know the answer, but you didn't copy the answer from everybody else. Now, next question. Blank, you told her yet? What should it be? It's you. Remember what I said about I and you? They get one word, and she, he, and it gets the other word. So if you paid attention with the first word, you should be able to answer this. Blank, you told her yet? Think about it. What's the answer? Have. Good. Mehnur. Mehnur is the first person to answer that. So Mehnur gets a second point. Have you asked her yet? Have you told her yet? Okay? So the answer is have. So far we have Mehnur 2 points, Inan 2 points, Ishana 1 point, Hassan 1 point. I know, it's English. It's a little harder. Okay? Um, okay, so here's the thing I'm going to mention in class a little bit. Okay? This is for everyone. Okay, this is for all of these students who are here. You guys are very excited, I understand. You like to participate, you like to answer, and I like to do point system. Okay? The point system doesn't really matter. Like if you get the highest points in one day, great, I'm proud of you. You should still be answering whether you're getting the highest points or not. If I give 1 point to someone, no one should be answering in the chat, I said it first, but I didn't get the point. Okay? It ruins the flow of the class. I'm trying to teach you guys something. If you guys are back and forth about who's getting the point of learning is going away. Okay? I'm going to give a lot of quizzes and games. And at that point, it doesn't matter who said it first. If you could get 100 on all of your quizzes and games based on what I'm teaching you guys, great. I'm still going to know that you know your materials. For example, yesterday Sami did really good in math and Inan did really good in English. So I know both of them are learning and are participating and are doing. Okay? I don't really remember who got the highest points on Friday. Okay, I did it that day and then I decided I'm going to give you guys a game day and that's it. I want participation. If I decide to give someone a point because that person said it first, I'm obviously looking at the chat more than you guys are. Don't tell me back again, I said it first. Okay? All right, so we're moving on. I'm going to go question by question, and each question you need to answer. Don't be behind so that you're not answering question number 5 when up to question number 7. Right now, we're up to question number 7. What's the answer? I blank found it or I blank found it? Is it have or has? Have is the answer. Sammy gets the point for that. Have. Good. Next. Next question. We have we blank given her a card. Who can answer me? Number 8. We blank given her a card. Have or has? Number 8. Have. Good. That is Mehnur. Number 8 is have. Mehnur gets the third point. Good job. Next. Okay. Next is number 9. Number 9, we have my son is helping blank. My son is helping blank. What should it be? Very easy. Very easy, number 9. My son is helping who? Who is he helping in the picture? Her, them, me, or him? What could it be? Me. Good job. Sami gets the point for number 9. Me. Next question, number 10. We're up to number 10. Number 10. The teacher blank left. The teacher blank left. Has or have? So far I haven't heard answers from Cheyenne. And I haven't heard answers from. That's it. Radua, actually. Radua and Cheyenne. Radua, we already passed that question. Number 10 is has. Who wrote it first? It's Inan. Inan wrote, the teacher has left. Good job, Inan. You're actually really good at grammar. Good. The answer is not have. So the answer is not have, Cheyenne. The answer is not have, Sami. The answer is has. Okay? Also, Sami, do not change your answer because now you know what the correct answer is. You either know it or you don't know it. Okay? Number 11 is on the screen right now. Number 11, David's brother is eating blank. David's brother is eating blank. What is David's brother eating? Us, him, her, or it? It. Good job, Cheyenne. It. Cheyenne got a point for that. Good job. So far we have Sami got 2 points, Menur got 3 points, Inan got 3 points, Ishan got 1, Ishana got 1 point, Hassan got 1 point, Cheyenne got 1 point. Okay? I'm gonna give you guys, I want to give you all of you guys points, but you just have to answer it on time. It. Number 11 is it. Good. Now we are up to number 12. Number 12. Trevor blank met famous people. Trevor has or Trevor have. Trevor is a third person. It's not I or we or you. It's he or she. What should it be? Has or have? Has. Inan, you wrote the answer first. Has. Trevor has. Okay? We're up to number 12, so no longer it. That's the previous question. All right, good job, Sami. You wrote has. Who else wrote has? That's it, just Sami and Inan. Sami, I think I may have just mentioned that. Okay? I I don't it doesn't matter who said it first. Like I'm the one who's looking at the chat. Don't don't get caught up with the points because by you getting caught up with the points, you guys are not doing well in the actual exams, right? Okay, next. Cindy's uncle is playing with blank. What is Cindy's uncle playing with, or who is Cindy's uncle is playing with? Number 13. Who can tell me the answer for number 13? We're up to number 13 right now. Har. Good. So, Menur, Sami, and Inan. All right. 5 points, 3 points, 4 points. Alrighty. Har. Okay, I'll give Hassan a point too. 2 points. Okay, I'll give Ishana a point too, just because you guys Har. And Hassan, Cheyenne said he. It's not he. Cindy's uncle is playing with he. That doesn't make sense. Alright? You blank shown us the answers. Number 14. You blank shown us the answers. What's the answer? You blank. Number 14. Have. Inan wrote it first. You have. Sami, you get a point too. 4 points. Mainur gets a point. 5 points. Have. Hassan gets a point too. 3 points. Ishana gets a point. 3 points. See, now I'm just giving it out. I'm just giving it out to everyone since you guys seemed very irritated by that. So I'm just giving it out. So far, Sami has 4 points. Mainur has 5 points. Inan has 5 points. Ishana got 3 points. Hassan got 3 points. Cheyenne got 1 point. And Radua got 1 point. Okay? Mr. Smith, number 15. Mr. Smith blank gone. Has or have? Mr. Smith has gone or Mr. Smith have gone? Number 15. We're up to number 15 now. Number 15. Have. Radua wrote have for it. Good. Radua, you get another point. No, wait. 15? 15 was has. Sorry. Mr. Smith has gone. No, sorry, Radua. It's just back to 1 point. Okay, Sami gets another point. 5 points. Good. Has. Menu gets a... You write it first. Hassan gets a point. 4 points. Cheyenne gets a point. 2 points. Menu gets a point. 6 points. Okay, has. All right, moving on. Number 16. Number 16. The shirts belong to blank. Who do the shirts belong to? 16. Who do the shirts belong to? The shirts belong to that. The shirts belong to his. The shirts belong to her. The shirts belong to them. The shirts belong to them. It's not her. It's two of them. And Hassan said it first. 1 point, 5 points. Ishana said it next. 4 points. Sami gets a point. 6 points. And Cheyenne, you just changed your answer. You wrote her first. You wrote her first and then you wrote them since everybody else wrote them. So you're not going to get a point for that. Don't do that. Okay, the shirts belong to them. If her was the answer, as soon as you said it, I would have given you the point. Okay, it's them. Don't change your answers, guys. Like, it's not. The cereal is for blank. The cereal is for her. The cereal is for them. The cereal is for you, or the cereal is for us. Look at the picture and tell me what the answer is. Number 17. The cereal is for who? Cereal is for her. Good. Cheyenne, now you're getting online. Cereal is for her. That is my answer, 17. Moving on. I already gave the point for 17. It's very easy. The apple is for blank. The apple is for blank. Number
Yeah. So, real
18.
quick, did you get a chance to just even read up on
18. We're up to
what
18,
could
guys. We're up to
possibly
18.
be happening? Because really,
Not
right?
17. We're up to 18.
Okay. So, you know, the whole emphasis of the campaign is to drive traction for Grant Sumner
Right?
by really leaning into the fact that
18 is
he is
hard.
going to
Good. Sami
provide
gets a point for
you
that.
can pick up
Good job.
real hero characters
So we're up to 6 points for Sami,
that
6 points for
provide that
Mehnur,
urgency
6 points
that
for
you
Inan.
are
Ishana got
able
4 points. Hassan got
to
5. Sorry, Ishana got
really
5 points. Hassan got 5 points. Cheyenne got 3 points.
help
Radua got 2 points.
extra drive
All right,
force
those are the points
and
right
tell
now.
Grant if they need to take action immediately in order to get the game
Next
along. But
question.
to
Mary
the
thinks
success
she
that
blank found
he
it.
is going to bring
Has or have?
to the players of
19.
this team,
Mary thinks
there's
she
a lot of
blank
potential here.
found it. Has or have?
So with the campaign, I think we really want to lean in on the messaging, not only around, hey, this is an awesome game that
Mary
you
thinks
picked,
she
but
blank found it.
folks from our team have all had a really great time playing the game. I think once you get a chance to check it out, you'll also enjoy it. It's pretty straightforward and streamlined with really
We're up
good
to
mechanics
19,
throughout.
guys.
And I think the hook though for your audience is for them to understand like, cool, for this limited time, I'm going to be able to pick up a lot of these cool exclusive characters, some exclusive items, and to drive that sense of urgency. So do you have a video in mind
Mary thinks she has found it.
that
Good.
really captures
19 is
the
has.
game
That is
that
Sami
you
and then Mehnur. I'm going to give it to Sami. Alrighty. Ishana answered it too, gets a point. Menu answered it and gets a point. Good. And did I see Poppy Sultana? No. Alright. Sami, did you say 19 is have or 19 is has? You said has first and then you change it to have. It should be has. I'm still going to keep the
so
point.
in that
But
case,
Mary thinks she has found it. It seems like clearly some of you guys are not really sure about it. You're just throwing answers out there based on what everybody else is
that
saying.
audience
Don't do that.
are really going to find
Okay?
good
Read the
utility
sentence to
out of this
yourself and
game.
ask yourself what the answer is and
As
really
the
tell
message
me the
goes,
answer.
it's
In
always a
life,
chance to look at the campaign
honesty is the first
over.
important thing. Okay? Changing answers, cheating on tests, cheating on answers, these things are not they are not going to get you anywhere. Know the answer. Today you may get an extra point by doing that. Tomorrow when you need to write an essay, you'll just bomb it because you never learned it when I explained it to you. Right? So let's not try to do that. You guys are still very young. Let's let's do it. I didn't even show number 20 yet, so I don't know why we up to number 20. Okay? Number 20, I'm showing it right now. The orange is for blank. The orange is for blank. Who's the orange for? They, them, her, or him, based on the picture. Who is it for? Number 20.
And to try and regurgitate that to your audience as you play the game. Find things that are appealing to you. Find
Good job, Inan. The orange is for her. Good. You got 7 points. Alrighty. Okay, Sami, you do not get a point for number 20 because you just answered ahead of time for 20 so that you could get the answer in first. I realized that. The question was not about have or has, so why'd you answer that? So you're not gonna get a point for that one. Ishana gets a point for that one as well. So that is 7 points. All right. Okay, the question is not about have or has. Next question. Peter blank gone. Have or has? Peter has gone or Peter have gone? Number 21. Number 21. Has. Good. 21 is has. Hassan gets another point. Inan gets another point. Okay. 21 is not have, it's has. Peter has gone. Okay, so I'm actually going to give you guys a quiz right now based on have, had, or has and see who does the best. But so far we have Sami, you got 7 points. Mehnur, you got 7 points. Inan, you're up to 8 points. Good job. Ishana, you're up to 7 points. Hassan, you're up to 6 points. Cheyenne, you're up to 3 points. And Radua, you're up to 3 points. Okay, so here's what you guys gonna do now. I'm gonna assign to your class, which is the 3rd grade. I'm gonna name it have, has, or had. Right, and assign. And this is what you guys gonna do. You're gonna go to joinmyquiz.com just like yesterday. Okay, and you're gonna enter the code 594563. 594563. And join it. And once everybody joins, which is Sami, Mehnur, Inan, Ishana, Hassan, Cheyenne, and Radua, I start. This is basically the same exact question we just did. And I want to see if you actually do well. So if Sami, Mehnur, Inan, you guys got one of the highest points, Ishana, you guys should be getting 100 on it. Okay, we just reviewed it. So go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code 594563. So you go to this website, joinmyquiz.com. Okay, I go to my joinmyquiz.com. I just put in my code, which is 594563. And I click join, and then I change this. So change your names to your actual name, please, because I need to see who it is. All right, just change your name right here to Menu or to Inan to Shana, and then just start game. So far Cheyenne is here. We got Hassan here. Good job. And we have Sami here. Good. So Mehnur, Inan, Ishana, and Radua, we're waiting on you. Ishana is here. Good job. All right. So we're only waiting for Mehnur, Inan, and Radua. Okay, Inan is here. Good. So Mehnur and Radua are the only ones we're waiting for. Radua, you're here. Good. Mehnur, are you okay? Could you join it, please? Just like yesterday. Okay, so we're gonna start. Mainly you could just join in a little later. Same thing, I'm gonna keep the code up on the screen. Manuel, good. You're finally here. Catch up. Yes, Sami and Inan are done. I'm just waiting for more kids to finish. Okay, so most of you kids are done. Just waiting on Radua and Mehnur to finish. All right. So let them finish up. Yes, Ishana, you're done. And my moon, you're not on the quiz, you just joined. So let them finish this, but in the meantime, we're gonna go over the test that you guys took yesterday, the math test. So Radu and Manu are finishing up, where we're gonna do this one. Okay. You guys took this yesterday probably. So number one, okay, who can tell me what the perimeter is? What is the perimeter of this shape, which is a pentagon? It's a pentagon because it has 5 sides. What is the perimeter? $15. Good job, Sami. You are back to 1 more points. Now you're up to 8, combining. All right, next we have, what number sentence can be completed using the basic fact sentence 3 times 2 is 6? Which one of these? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you guys can tell me which choice it is. It's 3 times 2. So which one of these also gives you the same answer as 3 times 2, which is 6? Oh, so Maimun joined. Maimun gets a point for that as well. Okay, Ishana gets another point. Hassan gets another point. And for this one, we have 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Nope. Sami, that is not the answer. 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 doesn't give you 6. What gives you 6 here? Oh, actually, no. They are only asking what, yeah, they're asking you to go backward. All right, yeah, that's fine. Sorry. Yeah, that is it. So Sami gets another one. And before that, Cheyenne gets another one. And we have, who else? That's it. Oh, Idan gets another one. What does the time represent? So what is this time saying over here? What does the time represent? Oh, actually the results are back. All right, so I'm going to go over that result after this question. Who can give me the answer to number 3? Maimun, I don't know what you're asking. What is it what called? What is it called? Not 2, not quarter after 10. Three is not 2. It's not after 10. It's actually before 10. See, 10 is right here. It hasn't reached 10 yet, right? If the minute hand was at 15, at 3, then it would have been after 10. This is before. At 12 o'clock, it would have been hit 10. So it would be quarter to 10, number 3. Good. Sami, you got another point. We're going to do like 2 more questions and then I'm going to give you guys the results for that test. Number 4, if Jill eats 3 servings of fruit each day for 5 days, how many servings does she eat in all? So if he eats 3 servings of fruit each day for 5, how much altogether? Four is 15. Good. All right. So, Mamun, you do not need the code right now because I ended the test. So, tomorrow you just need to join at 3 p.m. to do it. You join literally like the last 10 minutes. So, we're going back to the English test for now. And the English test results are right here. Okay. So, in the English test, have, has, or had, since that's our main thing today. Okay. Inan, and once again, very good. You got the highest score. You got 90%. You got 2 incorrect. Good. Ishana, also very good, 90%. You got 2 incorrect. Mehnur, pretty good, 85%. And you got 3 incorrect. Radua, 85%, pretty good. You got 1, 2, 3 incorrect. Good job. Sami, 75%. It's okay. You got 5 incorrect. Hassan, same thing, 75%. Also 5 incorrect. And Cheyenne, 65%. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 incorrect. All right, so Cheyenne, Hassan, Sami, Radua, Menur. Oh, Radua, Menur is okay, but you guys need to pay attention more when I'm going over has or had. Okay, you guys need to go over more. In terms of the points for the math portion, we got Sami got 4 points, Mehnur got 1 point, Inan got 2 points, Ishana got 1 point, Hassan got 2 points, and Cheyenne got 1 point. Okay? And Maimun got 2 points for the math. So those are the questions. Right, so we're going back to this. Number 5. 567 plus 996, and Maimun also said 1563 before. 1542, 1563. The answer is 1563. Okay. Sami is getting another point, 5 points. Sami, you're really good in math. You have to also be equally as good in English. Math and English, everyone should be equally good. Which multiplication sentence is the same as 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8? What's the answer? What's the answer to number 6? 2. Good. Inan got it. Ishana got it. So Inan gets a point. Ishana gets a point. The answer is 8 times 4 or 4 times 8. Maimun, yes, you get a point too. Hassan, you get a point. Who else? Sami already got one. And 8 times 4 would be 32. Yes. Next. 5 times 7. I'm going to do up to 10 questions. 5 times 7. 35. Inan gets one. Sami got another one. And that's it. Moving on. What customary unit is used to measure the length of a pencil? Number 8. Number 8. Manu got a point for 35 too. Hassan got a point. Number 8 is inches. So yes, Sami said it 3 times, so that maybe he could get 3 points for that, but it doesn't work like that, Sami. Okay? Inches. That's the correct answer. Good. And Hassan gets one too. And Manu gets it. And Ishana gets it. Next, moving on. Which shows the number 78,025 written in what form? Which shows the number 78,025 written in what form? Radu, are you going to point to? Which number shows the number 78,000 written in what form? 78,025. Sami, we're doing this question. I don't know why you're answering her on the chat. Okay, the answer is not 2. 78,025. How do I write it in what form? The answer is 1. Cheyenne get the answer. Good job, Cheyenne. Moving on. And the last question for the day. Do I have enough money to buy a soda for $1? Do I have enough money here? Ishana got a point for that, yes. The answer is not 3 either. Number 1 shows 78,025. Yes. But number 10 now. Do I have enough money to buy a soda? Do I have enough money to buy a soda for $1? Yes. Yes. So, Inan, you got a point. And Mehnur got a point. The answer should have been just yes. Okay, so at the end of the math one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points for Sami, 4 points for Mehnur, 5 points for Inan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points for Ishana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points for Hassan, 2 points for Cheyenne, and 2 points for Radua. Okay, Sami, we're up to math. I don't know why you're saying have and has, and I don't know why you're saying I said it first, because the answers you're giving me are not the right answers. Okay, you got 7 points, Menu got 4 points, Inan got 5 points, Ishana got 4 points, and Hassan got 5 points, Cheyenne got 2 points, Radua got 2 points. All right, and now the English test. If you don't know your scores already, one more time. Inan got 90%. Good job. Ishana got 90%. Good job. Tell your parents. Mehnur, you got 85%. Radua got 85%. Sami got 75%. And Cheyenne got 65%. Okay? Those are the scores for the English. So that will be the end of this class. Tomorrow we're going to do point system and game again. Please try to don't write the answers on the chat just because, okay? Try to answer the right questions. Do not copy each other's questions. It kills the point. And there's no point of saying I got this answer correct, I got that answer correct, and getting the most amount of points. If when I give you the quiz, you didn't do so well. All right, if you're not doing so well on the quiz, that's what's really showing me if you're learning or not. Okay, we don't have homework today. I will see you guys tomorrow at 3 p.m. again, and have a nice day, stay safe, enjoy the rest of your day.